Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. I just finished wrapping up the Crest 3D White Strips 14-day smile break journey, and today I'm excited to share with you exactly how I've been using these products. These are Crest 3D White Strips Glamorous White, and I'm so happy to share that this is considered safe and effective by the American Dental Association and has that ADA accepted label right there. So that's very good to know if you are worried about your enamel or you just want to make sure that you're not damaging your teeth in any way. There you go. These are what the individual packets look like, and all you have to do is tear it from the side to open it up. Each packet contains 2 strips, the longer one for your top row and the shorter one for your bottom row. So you peel it off the plastic and apply it to your teeth. Now I like to make sure that I'm getting the entire front of the teeth white, so I use my nails to kind of push it up and on the side crevices to make sure it's getting everything. You're then going to flip the excess strip to the back of the teeth. Now these are meant to be worn for 30 minutes, so once those 30 minutes are up, I then pick up the Crest 3D White Light and turn it on, like so, and then I just simply put them on. Now you don't have to worry about setting a timer for this. Once the cycle is done, it'll start beeping to alert you to take it off. This light targets those stains that are really difficult to remove. These are so easy to use and very easy to incorporate into your routine. I personally wear them when I'm doing my skincare routine or taking a bath or meditating. They're just so easy to incorporate into your schedule. And there you go. Once you're done with that, then off you go to spend the day with a bigger, better, brighter smile. For more information on these products and my 14-day journey, check out the description box below where I will link to the Crest website and my vlog about my experience using these products. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.